Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn something new and it's very easy also. So in this lesson we are going to learn sign up now how to make a form. Okay, so you can see here's a form. You can write also email ID, first name and date. You can choose. Okay, now let's start with coding. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay? First, we write the structure of HTML. Okay, I think this much is visible to all of you. Now, our page title will be web page. Okay. Now, after body, we'll delete this heading and paragraph because we don't need it. After this, we'll write H1 sign up now. Okay, now H1 will be closed like this. Okay, after this form, okay, then enter input type text. Now again enter. Now name equals to f name. Okay, now f name means value, means first name, and then we will write value. Okay, now it will first first name. Okay, now we will just copy it. Okay, so in each and every step it is important input type text, and then we will change the f to l and first to last. So our web page will look like this. Okay, now after this what we are going to do is br tag is very much important. Okay, after this we will write input type date. First of all we write dob. Okay, that refers to the date, like this, dob, enter. Now here we will put input and what will caps lock it would be. Okay, like this, input type date, name, bday and to br tag. Now after this we are going to do, after br tag we are going to write input type email. I will show you, and same for the password also, like this. And after this we'll write name, and same here for this also, input password like this. Okay, name, mail id, value, email id, so it will look like this. Okay, so it will come like this. Now next thing, here we'll write, would you like to be notified about offers? Okay, so our web page will like this, and then again input radio. Okay, radio basically represents a circle to choose only one option at a time. Okay, so this is our radio. It will click one option at a time, like I said. Okay, so now br tag again. Okay, we'll write input checkbox, input type checkbox, name tnc, then I agree the terms and condition, and then the br tag close and form close. Now our web page will look like this. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe, and please continue watching my videos all the time. And my YouTube name is Learn Coding with Pranjali. Okay, so thank you. Bye.